Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mine the cryptocurrency Verge. If we were to take a look at crypto compare right now, we can see that the price of one Verge coin is $0.23. And the best way to determine which coin is the most profitable right now to mine is through what2mine.com, and as you can see, the number one coin right here is Verge through the algorithm Lyra. So the way to mine Verge through Lyra is by going to zpool, and then we will be using the zpool for to mine Lyra. As you can see, Lyra is over here. Click on that and it will tell you how to mine it exactly, which is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So what you first need to do is you first need a Verge Wallet. So if you go to the vergecurrency.com website, you can see that there's a link to download the Verge Windows Electrum wallet. You could also use a different Verge wallet, but in my opinion the best one right now is the Electrum wallet, because the synchronizing time is like a split second. So once you do all of that, you're gonna extract the CC miner, and then you're gonna see the ron-crea file, and you're gonna edit that, and you're gonna delete all of the code that's here. Just delete everything, and then you're gonna paste in the code that I will have in the description. All you've got to do now is just change this address into your Verge wallet address. This right here is my address, and all you've got to do is change it into your address, and then you just save it, and then when you run it, it's gonna start mining. As you can see here, there we go, intensity set to 20, which should be the highest intensity, and yeah, it's gonna start mining. That's pretty much it. And in order for you to check your stats, you can go back to zpool, click on wallet, and when you wait, actually, let me copy my address first. So I'm just gonna copy my address, copy, and you paste your address in here, click submit, and there you go. For me, I've mined so far around 16 Verge coins in around, like, I would say 24 hours maybe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You get paid, as you can see, every like 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and a half, I'm not sure, but yeah, and you get your Verge right here. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, hope it helped you out, and yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.